Yeah, I know. It's just an app to manage Chinese auctions or ticket auctions or whatever you want to call them. I've been working on it a little while. Got a bunch of ideas going and decided to implement them. So I always wanted to mess around with app images, so now the application is bundled as an app image. So now you can just download it and run it as you would a regular app. By default, it takes your local config that's in your home directory .config slash TAM, all caps. But let's say you do want to make it portable for some reason. So I'll make a new folder for this. And I'll just copy it into there. And now with it running like that, it's a terminal command, but it's just one simple command. The name of the oops, dot slash the name of the app image, then make portable. That'll create two files that needs to be a portable application. So it's gonna make its own config. It's gonna run in offline mode at first. So I was able to implement offline mode, so you can actually, here I'll create a couple prefixes here. And currently, when it's once in offline mode, no server necessary. So the whole config that you normally would have to do to launch a server, if you're just doing it on one computer, uh, you can just run it and it'll run in offline mode. I'll make that primary. We'll give that sort order of 2. So I'll put it below. So now when we do update prefixes, keep in mind this is all locally, no server, nothing like that. Um, so it's like, so we'll just make a sheet here and we'll just put in a bunch of random people. And let's say for some reason you decide to do the server later, you can just put a base URL in here. This is dependent on how you have the server set up. API password, uh, and it'll generate API key save. So now it's going to be connected. Um, for some reason, it won't update or prefixes if you switch, but you'll see if I launch, I don't have these, or it has the prefixes actually on the server. Okay, I forgot to clear the server off, but since I didn't put 7001 to 7020 in there, since it's pulling from the server now, it's not going to show up. But that information is still there. It's still in this local uh, database here. So what you can do is while you're on the main menu, Control B, as in Control Backup. This backup and restore a box comes up. I had the push and pull thing. So you connect it to a new server and you want to put in tickets or baskets that you had entered before on this local client. I can hit push tickets. Depending on how many you have, may take a moment. But now if I go back here, you'll see that information is on the server as well now. And also when you enter uh, information like that while you're online, So I'll just do 7021 to 7040. Uh, I'm just using a random function. So because I entered that on this computer, let's say for some reason the link to the server breaks and I have to go back into offline mode, you can see the information is still there. So that's just some of the updates I made with version 2.0. I hope it's helpful to people that are concerned about losing data while they're entering. So if something happens to your server, you should be able to go to each of your authorized clients and do the push command from each one. Then you're right where you left off with everything. That's that's why I'm hoping this is helpful, and I guess I'll see you in the next video.